Your grill comes with a digital thermometer for temperature monitored and timed cooking. Please familiarize yourself with the thermometer. Pressing any button will turn on the thermometer. The default screen will appear when the thermometer is first turned on. Interior and knob lights. Turn thermometer on. Press light button to turn both interior and knob lights on. Press light button once to turn interior lights off and a second time to turn knob lights off. Calibrate thermometer. Turn thermometer on. Press menu. The setup option will be highlighted. Press set. Press down arrow to calibrate. Press set. Thermometer will calibrate with ambient temperature automatically and return to menu screen. Press menu to return to default screen. Set a zone and/or meat probe temperature. Your grill is divided into 3 cooking zones, each corresponding to a burner and its control knob. The cooking zone temperatures are monitored by the thermometer. The meat probe is also monitored by the thermometer. Turn thermometer on. Press up or down arrow to desired zone or meat probe on the thermometer screen. It will flash. Press set. Press up or down arrow to set the desired temperature. Press set. Display will return to default screen. Repeat as necessary for all other areas. Alarm will sound if set to do so when an area's actual temp reaches its set temp. Press any button to silence. Grill guide and meat probe. Turn thermometer on. Press menu. Press down arrow to grill guide. Press set. The grill guide displays recommended ready temperatures for various meats. Press up or down arrow to view desired meat. Note temp and press set. Press up or down arrow to set the noted temperature for the meat probe. Press set. Display will return to default screen. Putting the meat probe into the cooking meat will give an actual temp reading. Alarm will sound if set to do so when an area's actual temp reaches its set temp. Press any button to silence. Set timer. Turn thermometer on. Press timer button. Press up or down arrow to set desired amount of time. Press set. Display will return to default screen. Time remaining will show. Alarm will sound when time reaches 0. Press any button to silence. Set alarm on off. Turn thermometer on. Press menu. Press down arrow to alarm. Press set. Press up or down arrow to select desired alarm and press light button to turn alarm on or off. Press set to return to menu screen. Press menu to return to default screen. Set thermometer backlight. Turn thermometer on. Press menu. Press down arrow to backlight. Press set. Press up or down arrow to select desired color and press light button to turn color on or off. Press set. New thermometer screen color will display automatically and return to menu screen. Various combinations will result in different colors. Press menu to return to default screen.